Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited today because in 2 days I am about to reach my first year on YouTube and I have a new beauty room to celebrate. I'm so excited to share this tour with you. So if you're interested, then stay tuned. First, I'm going to start with my editing corner. This is my desk that I got from IKEA. You guys have seen the same desk from in the closet when I first began my YouTube channel. I also do a lot of my officing here, so I have all the supplies that I need. I have my sound equipment, and I also love these drawers. They open so smooth. I store all my essentials. This is the Best of Burrs table from IKEA, and the chair I got from IKEA as well. Originally, I wanted it in clear, but I'm so happy I got it in this color because it adds so much to the room. So this is where I edit and watch YouTube, of course. So across the way on the other wall, I have my filming set up on another wall. I love that I'm able to use this blank wall for my backdrop. I can change out any color backdrop that I want, or I can just use the blank wall itself to take pictures, which makes it a little bit easier to Photoshop them because of the contrast. I got all of the filming equipment from Amazon, and guys, none of this stuff is new pretty much. This is all of the same stuff that I was using. It's just that now I have so much more space to work with, and I love this particular wall because it's directly across from all of the big windows that are in this room. I get such good lighting, and the setup here is lightweight and easy to move around, so I really love the flexibility of that. I can change out things. I just have so many more options than I did before, and that really jogs my creativity. And even though this room is small, it doesn't feel so because the ceilings are 10 foot tall. The drapes go all the way up, and I went with all cream curtains in this room to block off all of the openings. It gives the room a fresh look. And did I mention that I love the natural lighting? It's so good. Onto my vanity. This is the one space in the room that is still in the works. Currently, I have up my vision board in the middle, but I want to do a really big and nice gallery wall full of pictures that are going to fuel my creativity along with some lighting. So I'm going to switch some things around. I did add lac shelves instead of Alex drawers. Originally, I wanted to do the Alex drawers, but I'm so glad I went with the lac shelves. The actual vanity itself is the same setup that you guys have seen before. It's the storage units from Michaels and the little shelf top from Lowe's. The mirror came through a third-party seller on Walmart online. Eventually, I am going to switch all of this out for Impressions Vanity. You can see I have all of my favorite lippies in a display that I got from Ross. On this side, I have all of my eye brushes, most of my Morphe palettes, and I saw some really beautiful bookends at HomeGoods that I want to get to display these. And I have some other little things still laying around because I'm still organizing.
Any ideas?
Then I've got my face brushes together, my brow products on a tray, some Curology that I'm going to review for you guys. I've got some new products that I want to try. The drawers pretty much have the same thing in them the last time that I showed you guys these drawers, but I did organize a few of them just a little bit better. Still working on that. As you can see, I put all of my eyeliner products in a basket so that I cannot have to try to find them in the midst of all of the rest of my eye products. I still have a lot of more work to go as far as organizing my actual makeup, but now I feel like I'm able to do that. So let me know if you guys want to see an organizational video of how I'm storing my makeup from now on. In this particular drawer, I did a little better. I have all of my concealers together, then I have all of my setting sprays, then my mascaras grouped together, then I've got all of my primers in this mint green tray, and then I have all of my foundations. This drawer has all of the rest of my lip products. So in this first tray, I've got all of my liquid lipsticks. And then in the tray right behind it, I have all of my glosses and balms. I have all of my lip liners. And then I also have my eyelashes and lash glue in this drawer as well. I still have a lot left to do. This drawer is a great example. I still have some organization to do, maybe even some decluttering since it's been a year since I started my channel and I started collecting makeup and trying out and reviewing makeup. So if you're interested in a declutter video, let me know in the comments below. Currently on my lock shelves, I'm storing some skincare and nail care that I really love, that looks good together, can be grouped together. So I'm going to change this up as I start organizing, but this is currently where I'm at. But I just love that I have so much more space to work with now, and that I can actually put everything out on display to see what I have and use what I have. And as my collection grows, the great thing about it is I still have room in this wall to use the Alex drawers if I need to get them. If not, that'd be great as well, but I can also declutter as needed to make sure that I have enough space for incoming items. And for the most part, that is the room. The last things that I'm thinking about is getting another one of these chairs. Right now, I'm using the 2 chairs to go back and forth between the 3 stations. Thinking about adding a mirror because I have this clothing stand in the corner that I want to use for try-on hauls and OOTDs. Currently, it's next to a coffee table. Originally in this room, it currently has things on it like my skincare fridge, but it will be swapped out for a clothing rack. Then lastly, I want to change this chandelier out to something very glamorous, and I'm thinking about adding a rug as well. So I stopped by somewhere special and picked up something for this occasion. That's right, I'm going to be doing a giveaway for you guys. The new Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie AINA collaboration eyeshadow palette. This palette you guys know that I love, so I guess it's no surprise I'm going to be giving one away. It's just too good not to share with you guys. You've seen my review, you've seen the swatch video. This palette is absolutely gorgeous, and I can't wait to see who wins this palette. I'm so excited. I am going to leave this giveaway open for 30 days, so this is the new monthly giveaway. So follow the instructions in the description below. And that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. I'm so excited about this room and the content that I'm going to create for you guys in it, so stay tuned. If you're new here, my name is Brittany. I love makeup, hair care, skincare, and I do lifestyle videos here on my channel. So if you're interested in that sort of thing, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video. But until then, be your own kind of beautiful.